Hello friends, my name is Hitakshi Cheta. Welcome back to my channel Hitakshi's Holy Life. So today I make a project of science subject. The project's name is Bird's Nest. I made a beautiful weaver bird nest. My mother also helped in this my project. First of all, we took two leaves and stitched each other half. Then we took a twig. Then we hung leaves to this twig. Then we took some cotton. Then we filled the nest with this cotton. Now our nest is ready. Then after we decorate this nest, we took two sparrows and some eggs. Then I put a sparrow in the nest and other on the twig. My project is ready. I got first rank in this project in my class. Thank you.